TSI Practice Test 2026 Texas Success Initiative, Full Course Introduction to TSI Math. Question 1. How many questions are on the TSI A2 Mathematics College Readiness Classification, CRC, test? 1020. 3048. The TSI A2 Math CRC test consists of 20 multiple-choice questions. Question 2. Which score range on the CRC indicates college readiness for TSI Math? 910 to 940, 945 to 990. 950 to 990, 900 to 950. A score of 950 to 990 on the CRC indicates readiness. Question 3. If a student scores below 950 on the CRC, what is the next step? Retake immediately. Take the math diagnostic test, fail the exam. Go to college courses. Students below 950 take the diagnostic test to determine placement. Question 4. What score on the math diagnostic test indicates college readiness if the CRC was below 950? Diagnostic score of 4. Diagnostic score of 5. Diagnostic score of 6. Diagnostic score of 10. A diagnostic score of 6 is considered college ready. Question 5. Which category is not one of the four main areas of the TSI Math test? Quantitative Reasoning, Algebraic Reasoning, Calculus and Integration, Geometric and Spatial Reasoning. Calculus is not covered. The four areas are quantitative, algebraic, geometric, and probabilistic reasoning. Question 6. Is the TSI assessment timed? Yes, 2 hours. Yes, 4 hours. No, it is untimed. Yes, 1 hour. The TSI is untimed, though it usually takes 2 to 4 hours. Question 7. The TSI A2 is a computer adaptive test. What does this mean? It gets easier as you go. Questions change based on previous answers. It only has math questions. It is taken on paper. Computer adaptive means the difficulty adjusts based on student performance. Question 8. What is the focus of geometric and spatial reasoning on the TSI? Solving for x, calculating area and volume. Probabilities. Linear equations. Geometric reasoning focuses on shapes, area, volume, and measurement. Question 9. Quantitative reasoning includes which of the following topics? Ratios and percents. Quadratic equations. Trigonometry. Sentence structure. Quantitative reasoning covers ratios, proportions, and percents. Question 10. Which area covers mean, median, and mode? Quantitative reasoning. Algebraic reasoning. Probabilistic and statistical reasoning. Geometric reasoning. Measures of center are part of probabilistic and statistical reasoning. Question 11. How many questions are on the math diagnostic test? 2024. 3048. The diagnostic test has 48 questions, 12 per content category. Question 12. Can you use a calculator on all TSI Math questions? Yes, any calculator. No, Only the on-screen calculator when provided. No calculators allowed. Yes, a handheld graphing calculator. Only the on-screen calculator provided by the software is allowed for specific questions. Question 13. The TSI Math test is designed to measure readiness for what? High school graduation. Entry-level college math courses. Advanced physics. Middle school algebra. It determines readiness for introductory college-level coursework. Question 14. Algebraic reasoning includes which topic? Circle theorems. Linear equations. Standard deviation. Unit conversion. Linear equations are a core part of algebraic reasoning. Question 15. Geometric reasoning might ask you to find the volume of which shape? Cylinder. Square. Line. Point. Cylinders are 3D shapes requiring volume calculations. Question 16. Probabilistic reasoning involves calculating the likelihood of an event. True or false? True. False. Probability is the measure of the likelihood that an event will occur. Question 17. The TSI test was created by which organization? ACT. College Board. Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board. STAR. The THEC mandates and oversees the TSI in Texas. Question 18. Which of the following is a readiness benchmark for the TSI Math? Score of 350. Score of 950. Score of 100. Score of 500. 950 is the primary CRC benchmark. Question 19. Which category involves interpreting graphs and tables? Algebraic reasoning. Geometric reasoning. Probabilistic and statistical reasoning. Quantitative reasoning. Data representation and interpretation are in the statistical category. Question 20. If a student is exempt from TSI, do they have to take it? Yes. No. Only if they want to. Only the essay. Exempt students, example high SAT/ACT scores, do not need the TSI.